வெல்கம் டு மை சேனல். நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறது சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஹிஸ்ட்ரி ஃபஸ்ட் லெசன் அவுட் பிரேக் ஆஃப் வேர்ல்ட் வார் 1 அண்ட் இட்ஸ் ஆஃப்டர் மேத். அந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் தான் நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறோம். அதில் இருக்க ஃபுல் எக்ஸசைஸ்க்கான ஆன்சர்ஸ் நான் உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோவில் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். ஃபஸ்ட் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். வாட் வேர் த 3 மேஜர் எம்பையர்ஸ் ஷேட்டர்ட் பை த எண்ட் ஆஃப் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வேர்ல்ட் வார்? ஆப்ஷன் ஏ இஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். விச் country emerged as the strongest in East Asia towards the close of 19th century? Option C, Japan is the correct answer. Who said imperialism is the highest stage of capitalism? Option A, Lenin is the correct answer. What is the Battle of Marne remembered for? Option B, trench warfare is the correct answer. To which country did the first Secretary General of League of Nations belong? Option A, Britain. Which country was expelled from the League of Nations for attacking Finland? Option B, Russia is the correct answer. Filling the blanks, Japan forced a war on China in the year 1894. The new state of Albania was created according to the Treaty of London signed in May 1913. Japan entered into an alliance with England in the year 1902. In the Balkans, Macedonia had mixed population. In the Battle of Tannenberg, Russia suffered heavy losses. Kilimanjaro as the Prime Minister represented France at Paris Peace Conference. Locarno Treaty was signed in the year 1925. Match the following: Brits, Litzwak, Russia with Germany, Zionism, England, Kemal Pasha, Turkey, Emden, Madras, Hall of Mirrors, Versailles. I will given the right answers for each questions. Choose the correct statement. The Turkish Empire contained many more Turkish people in the Balkans. Turkey fought on the side of the Central Powers. Britain attacked Turkey, captured Constantinople. Turkey's attempt to attack Suez Canal but were repulsed. Option D, 1, 2 and 4 are correct statement is the correct answer. Answer the following. How do you assess the importance of Sino-Japanese War? In 1894, China was defeated by Little Japan in the Sino-Japanese War. Despite the warning of three great powers, Russia, Germany and France, Japan annexed the Liaotung Peninsula with Port Arthur. By this action, Japan proved that it was the strongest nation of the East Asia. Name the countries in the triple entity: Britain, France, Russia. What were the three militant forms of nationalism in Europe? England's Zionism, France, Chauvinism, Germany's Kultur. What do you know of trench warfare? Trenches are ditches dug by the troops enabled soldiers to safely stand and protect themselves from enemy fire. The main lines of trenches were connected to each other and to the rear by a series of linking trenches, through which food, ammunition, fresh troops, mail and orders were delivered. What was the role of Mustafa Kemal Pasha? Turkey's rebirth as a nation, thanks to the role played by the Mustafa Kemal Pasha, was remarkable. Kemal Pasha modernized Turkey and changed it out of the recognition. List out any two causes for the failure of League of Nations. The League appeared to an organization of those who were victorious in the First World War. It lacked the military power of its own. It could not enforce its decision. The founders of this peace organization underestimated the power of nationalism. Answer the following in detail. Main causes of the First World War: European alliances and counter-alliances, violent forms of nationalism, aggressive attitude of German Emperor, hostility of France towards Germany, imperial power politics in the Balkan Wars, immediate cause assassination of Prince Ferdinand. European alliances and counter-alliances. In 1905, of the European great powers were divided into two armed camps. One was considered of the Central Powers and other was Allied Powers. Central Powers formed the Triple Alliance of 1882 of Germany, Austria-Hungary and Italy. Under the guidance of Bismarck, they had formed the Triple Alliances in 1882. Violent forms of nationalism. With the growth of nationalism, the attitude of my country, right or wrong, I support it, developed. The love for one country demanded hatred for another country. England Zionism, France Chauvinism, and Germany culture were militant forms of nationalism. Aggressive attitude of German Emperor. Emperor Kaiser Wilhelm II proclaimed that Germany would be the leader of the world. German navy was expanded against Britain. Therefore, Britain embarked on a naval race. Hostility of France towards Germany. France and Germany were old rebels of the defeat of 1817 and lost. France's interference in Morocco was opposed by Germany. British agreement with France over Morocco was not consented by Germany. Imperial power politics in the Balkans. The Young Turk Revolution of 1908, an attempt at creating a strong and modern governor in Turkey. It provided both Austria and Russia with the opportunity to resume their activities in the Balkans. Germany gave Austria firm support. Russia went to the extent of promising that if Austria invaded Serbia and in consequence Russia helped Serbia, Germany could come to Austria's assistance. The enmity between Austria and Serbia led to the outbreak of war in 1914. The Balkan Wars, both of the Turks and the subjects of different nationalists in the Balkans indulged in the most of frightful massacres and atrocities. So Greece, Serbia, Bulgaria and later Montenegro formed the Balkan League and defeated Turkish forces in the First Balkan War. The division of Macedonia, Bulgaria attacked Serbia and Greece. Immediate cause assassination of Prince Ferdinand. On 28 June 1914, the Archduke Franz Ferdinand, nephew and heir to Franz Joseph, Emperor of Austria-Hungary, was assassinated by Princip, a Bosnian Serb. Austria saw in an opportunity to eliminate Serbia as an independent state. Germany thought that it should strike first. It declared war on Russia on 1st August. Highlight the provisions of the Treaty of Versailles' reality to the Germany. Pay reparations, permission to keep army, forbidden unity, mandatory territories under League of Nations, forced to revoke the treaties. Germany was found guilty of starting the war and therefore was to pay reparations for the losses suffered. All central powers were directed to pay their indemnity. Permission to keep army. The German army was to be limited to 1 lakh men. A small navy was allowed. Forbidden unity. The union of Austria and Germany was forbidden. Mandatory territories under League of Nations. All German colonies become mandated territories under the League of Nations. Forced to revoke the treaties. Germany was forced to revoke the Treaty of Brest-Litovsk and Bucharest. Alsace-Lorraine was returned to France. The former Russian territories of Finland, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania were to be independent. Poland was recreated. Rhineland was to be occupied by the Allies. The area on the east bank of Rhine was to be demilitarized. Explain the course of the Russian Revolution under the leadership of Lenin. Russian Revolution, Communist government in Russia, Russian Revolution under Lenin leadership, Russian Revolution. The biggest outcome of the war, the Russian Revolution, was unique in the world history. Communist government in Russia and the abdication of the Tsar, the bourgeois government which followed wanted to continue the war, but the people were against it. So their leader Lenin, who seized power and established the communist government in Russia, Russian Revolution under Lenin's leadership. In October, Lenin persuaded the Bolshevik Central Committee to decide the immediate revolution. Trotsky prepared the detailed plan. On 7th November, the key government building, including the Winter Palace, the Prime Minister headquarters were seized by armed factory workers and revolutionary troops. On 8th November 1917, a new communist government was in office in Russia. Its head this time was Lenin. The Bolshevik Party was renamed the Russian Communist Party. estimate the work done by the League of Nations. The twofold objective of the League of Nations was to avoid war and maintain peace in the world and to promote international cooperation in economic and social affairs. The League was called in to settle a number of disputes between 1920 and 1925. The League was successful in 3 issues. Dispute of Aland Islands. In 1920, a dispute arose between Sweden and Finland over the sovereignty of the Aland Islands. The League ruled that the islands should go to the Finland. In the following year, the League was asked to settle the frontier between Poland and Germany in Upper Silesia, which was successfully resolved by the League. Greece paid reparations. The third dispute was between Greece and Bulgaria in 1925. Greece invaded Bulgaria and the League ordered to cease fire. After investigation, it blamed Greece and decided that Greece was to pay reparations. இதோட உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் லெசனுக்கான வீடியோ ஐ வில் பி அப்லோடட் சூன். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங் மை சேனல்.